ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टाप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। हरि ओम तत्सत्। So today is Gopastami, the Damodar month. So many things are there in this month, special month. We'll try to discuss something. So ये कार्तिक महीना है, अश्विन भद्र, so के बाद कार्तिक होता है। 4 महीने में चातुर्मास कहते हैं। कार्तिक में दामोदर मास भी कहते हैं क्योंकि ये दामोदर अलग है। भगवान विष्णु का नाम भी दामोदर है। ये दामोदर है, राधा दामोदर है। ये कृष्णा हिमसेल्फ कृष्णा है, उनका नाम है दामोदर दिया है क्योंकि दाम और उदर, दाम और उदर मीन बेली और दाम मीन रोप। ऐसे भगवान को कोई नहीं बांध सकते हैं। सो no one can bind Krishna, no one can catch Krishna, no one can punish Krishna. Surprisingly, here you will see that Yasodhama is punishing Krishna, and Yasodhama is able to capture Krishna. So इसलिए दामोदर लीला कहा गया है। इधर भगवान को कैसे कैप्चर करना है हार्ट में, रसराज कृष्णा को कैसे प्रेम क्या बोलते हैं, प्रेम नॉट बांटना है। So, प्रेम से बांधना है भगवान से और प्रेम को पाना है। वही प्रेम को पाना है। हाउ टू गेट कृष्णा प्रेम। So this is the past time Damodar Kartik month. So this is I think 7th or 8th class of Damodar Katha. Different flavor, different instructions. एक पॉइंट लेके हम बात कर रहा था। 8वां क्लास है, 8th. We'll take a different point. So this is from 10th canto Srimad Bhagavatam chapter 9. यशोदा बाइंडिंग कृष्णा वर्स नंबर 11। सुखदेव गोस्वामी बोल रहे हैं पहले जानना चाहिए 2 चीज। भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर 7th गोस्वामी, पहले जानना चाहिए परंपरा क्या है। और कोई घर पे आएगा तो कोई मेहमान है, कोई और कोई रिश्तेदार आया तो कोई मैरिज कराना चाहते हैं, फिर पहले पूछते हैं कौन सा है आपका ग्रैंडफादर, कौन है, कौन सा लीनेज है, सब पूछते हैं। इधर भी पहले हमारा भक्ति कृष्ण प्रेम बंद करना भाई, बंद करो थोड़ा, भगवान का सुने। सब पहले जानना चाहिए परंपरा का जानना चाहिए। जैसे मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में भी ऐसे ही है। अगर आपको जॉब किसी को देना है इन द मटेरियल वर्ल्ड, IT जॉब, बिजनेस, एवरीवेयर सेम थिंग, रेफरेंस is always they check your lineage, your credibility, your accountability. Here also first, you want to get Krishna prema, you want to do bhakti, first you need to follow the parampara. Parampara means evam parampara praptam. So उसमें परंपरा भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर is telling in Chaitanya Shikshamrita. Chaitanya Shikshamrita is telling if you want to attain Krishna prema, there are 2 ways. One is directly attaining those who are spontaneous devotees, those who उसके पास प्रेम है, यशोदा माई के पास है, इसलिए भगवान को बांध लिया 2 मिनट में फटाफट। हमारे पास तो वो नहीं है। फिर दूसरा बात है एस्पायरिंग, जो प्रेम पाने के लिए उत्सुकत है, वो दूसरा सेकंड कैटेगरी है। हम सेकंड कैटेगरी में है। उसमें फिर कैसे कर सकते हैं, हाउ वी कैन अटेन दैट कृष्ण। सो भक्तिनाथ ठाकुर बोल रहे हैं उसमें फिर से दो कैटेगरी है, टू कैटेगरी। वन इज आचार, सेकंड वन इज प्रचार। आचार माने कॉन्डक्ट, कैसे हमको जीवन निभाना है। भगवत धाम जाना है तो कुछ करना है, ऐसा नहीं फ्री में कुछ सब मिलेगा। ये कंट्री में कुछ भी फ्री में नहीं मिलेगा ना। ऐसे ही भगवत धाम जाने के लिए तो कुछ ना करना पड़ेगा, इसलिए आचार चाहिए, कॉन्डक्ट। वो कॉन्डक्ट माने श्रवण करना है। भक्तिनाथ ठाकुर बोल रहे हैं श्रवण, वन हैज टू हियर। हाउ वी हैव टू हियर? परीक्षित महाराज बोल रहे हैं सुखदेव गोस्वामी को, 285 सेकंड कैंटो चैप्टर 8 वर्स नंबर 5। प्रविष्टा कर्णरंध्रेण स्वानाम भावसरोरुहं दुनोति समलम कृष्ण सलिलम यथा शरत। प्रविष्टा कर्णरंध्रेण, जब सुनना है तो एक कान से जाना है, सिर्फ सीधा हृदय में जाना है। एक कान से इधर नहीं जाना है बाहर, कान से हृदय में जाना है। सरलता चाहिए, कल भी बात कर रहा था, डिस्कसिंग यस्टरडे, सरल सिंप्लिसिटी। परंपरा को हमारे हृदय में बिठाना है। परंपरा, फेथ, श्रद्धा चाहिए। पहले सबसे पहले श्रद्धा चाहिए। भक्तिनाथ यही बोल रहे हैं। सब बोलने के बाद, after telling everything, there is a attaining prema directly, those who are spontaneous. Second category is aspiring. Within that aspiring, one is by achar, conduct, that is hearing. Prachar, one is glorifying, that is nama sankirtan. Achar and prachar. Prachar means preaching, that is nama sankirtan. So glorifying the holy name. So these are two ways. So then he is telling these must be done with great faith, shraddha. If he doesn't have faith on the holy name, if he doesn't have faith on Krishna, then how he is going to get? Nothing he is going to get. So इधर से इधर जाएगा बाहर। जब श्रद्धा है तब हृदय में जाएगा। So you have faith on somebody in the same thing. If you are in the office, you have faith in your boss and company, then you will stay there. Otherwise, you can't survive much longer. Same thing in the business. Here also same thing. So Krishna himself is telling, Asraddhadana Purusha Dharma Syasya Param Aprapya Mam Nivartante Mrityu Samsar Vartamani. श्रद्धा ऐसे जाए जो पुरुषोत्तम भगवान बोलेगा वो करना ही चाहिए, करेंगे ही, उतना श्रद्धा चाहिए। जो परंपरा आचार्य बोलेगा, श्री रूप गोस्वामी, श्री प्रभुपाद, श्री भक्ति सिद्धांत, श्री ठाकुर, वही सुनना है, उसको कान में डालना है और हृदय में डालना है, करना है बस। चलो बाकी नहीं सुनने का है मेरे को, आचार्य बोला है मेरे को करना है, यही बोलते हैं श्रद्धा। बच्चा क्या करते हैं? जो माँ बोलेगा वही करेंगे, उनका इधर उधर नहीं देखते हैं, माँ जो बोलेगी वो करेंगे। ऐसा श्रद्धा चाहिए, जो कोमल श्रद्धा, सरल श्रद्धा, जिसके बच्चे में रहते हैं, ऐसा श्रद्धा चाहिए। भगवान का से प्रेम पाना है तो पहले चीज यही चाहिए। उससे देन वी कैन इंक्रीज आवर हियरिंग। वी शुड हियर इन दिस वे। सेकंड, what will happen, why I should hear? That also Sukadev Goswami is telling, second canto chapter 2, canto 2 chapter 2 last verse, 28th verse, I think 32 or 28th, last verse. पिबंति ये भागवता आत्मना सताम। पिबंति ये श्रवण, पिबंति, drink, you have to drink. It's not just chewing it, you have to drink this nectar every day continuously. पिबंति ये भागवता आत्मना सताम श्रवण पुतेषु संवृतम। श्रवण पुतेषु संवृतम, the ear holes has to be filled with this nectarian message of the Lord. So wonderful pastime. So that's why our Belamangal Thakur, what did he said? He is the greatest thief. No, you cannot find any better thief than the Makanchor Krishna. So he is going to steal everything from your heart. He is going to reside there. What did he said? In Chaurashtakam, we are supposed to sing in this month. Other than Damodarashtakam, it is called Chaurashtakam. Vraje prasidam navanita chauram gopangananam chadukula chauram. What is the next? Aneka janmarjita papa chauram chora agraganyam. There is no other thief you can find in this world. Choragraganyam purusham namami. Belamangal Thakur is such a great acharya. He is offering his obeisances to that great thief. Please reside in my heart and steal everything. So I want only Krishna Prem. That's what it is. Vraje, and he is the most glorious. Vraje Prasidam is the topmost. Everybody is discussing every day about this thief only. Nobody discusses about the thief at home, but here This is such a thief that everybody discussing about this thief only. Praje Prasidam Navanita Chauram. What is he doing? He's stealing the butter. So tomorrow is Gopashtami, we're celebrating at our temple. Please make sure you bring what baby Krishna likes. Yogurt, makhan, mystery, sugar candy, rock and not this candy of Halloween. Don't bring that. Real sugar candy, rock candy. So or make some finger snacks. So no spice, very little spice. What baby Krishna can eat, babies what child can eat. So like that you make bring. So we'll offer it on the altar, special days. So because they are in the picnic, Krishna and Balram is having a picnic. So who doesn't like picnic? So we assist the Lord, just like on this Gopashtami day. Subal Saka also helped. With a beautiful pastime connecting to that. We'll come to there. So, but hearing. Pibanti Bhagavata Atmana Satam, Sravana Atmana Satam. Punanti te Vishay Vidusha. What will have Punanti means purifies. Regular regular course of activities, your karma, you will not be able to purify it. You can purify to some extent. But so many bank balances there, so many lifetimes, who's going to purify? We will not have capacity. Prarabdha karma, aprarabdha karma, for many lifetimes. There is no way. No capacity, we can clear this. It takes lifetimes. You can't. Not by karma, not by jnana, not by yoga. It is not possible. Only by bhakti you can clear all your bank balance of previous lifetimes and this life also. That is the only way. This is the exception process. So and you will get Krishna prema also. That's what Bhaktivinoda Thakur telling. Aspiring for prema, one has to aspire prema. That means one has to have a strong shraddha, strong faith on the Acharya Parampara. So that's what that means. Whatever Prabhupada says, we follow that. He says, wake up in the morning, chant the holy name. We'll chant. He says, every day morning you have to hear Bhagavad Katha, Sravana. Then Punanti te Vishay Vidushitasana. Whatever you have attraction so much about the movie news, politics, whatnot, sports, cricket and volleyball, football, all this. No more taste. Once we develop the taste for this, about our Makan Chor, Shera Chor, Ranachor. So he's going to steal our heart. He takes away. Hari means Hari is one of the name. He takes away everything from everything, and he gives the Krishna highest things. It steals all the miseries, removes all the everything, all the clutter, contamination. So that is what happens. Pibanti te atma sravana puteshu samrutam punanti te vishay vidushitas. Where will go? Tat sravana vrajanti saroruhanti. Vrajanti means go. Go back home, back to God. Vrajanti also means he's talking always about Vrajadham, pure consciousness. So he's talking about Vrajavasis. We'll go back to home, the spiritual world, Vrajadham, Golok, Vrindavan. You'll attain Krishna Prema by simply doing this achar, conduct of hearing every day. And then prachar, you preach. Whatever you hearing, you just speak to somebody. That is prachar. So by these two process, the aspiring prema, the one has to have Shraddha with Charanagati. That means Krishna is my only shelter. No one else. Because there is no better thief, no other thief. That's why in this verse 10, 9, 11, 10, 9, 11, Yasodhama is telling, Kratagasam tam prarudadam tam akshini. So Yasodhama is taking a stick in his hand. Udvikja ikchamanam bhaya vihvalekshanam. Then he's telling that Gruhitva. So she's taking, catching the hand, Krishna's hand after running with a stick. Then he became so afraid, so fearful. Who's that? The baby Krishna. Then he started rubbing his eyes. So, Pratakasam prarudantam akshini swapanina. She started rubbing his oil, his kajal, and everywhere. The whole face became the kajal. So, but still is so beautiful. There, Prabhupada is writing that Yamaraj has been instructed through Ajamil pastime, don't touch my devotees of the Lord who are chanting the holy name. Because there was a great fight between Yamaraj devotee, Yamaraj Yamapatas and Vishnu Dutas immediately appeared as he chanted Lord Narayana's name. His son's name, he remembered immediately Lord Narayana as soon as he chanted son's name. So that is the glory of the holy name. So that's why we have to every day start tomorrow morning. Don't sleep tomorrow morning. Wake up early and start chanting the holy name. Are you aspiring? How many of you are aspiring for Krishna Prema here? Please raise your hand. Only two. Rest of you, none of you want? None of you want Krishna Prema? No? Doesn't look like it. No? Only two. don't want. Offhand. So that means no Shraddha. Really don't want? You don't want? None of you don't want Krishna Prem? नहीं चाहिए किसी को? Krishna Prem? हाँ? नहीं लग रहा है कोई हैंड ही नहीं रेज कर रहा है so they feel if you have no faith then you can't attain so first you have to have faith क्या ऑस्पेरिटी है एक आपका चैंटिंग करना ऑस्पेरिटी है फीस्टिंग 500 आइटम्स फीस्टिंग करना ऑस्पेरिटी है किधर है ऑस्पेरिटी डांसिंग ऑस्पेरिटी है this is the easiest process Chaitanya Mahaprabhu coming and giving in this Kartik month all you have to do is offering a ghee lamp hear the kirtan and chant do every day same thing the rest of your life then you'll go back home back to what else you need so it's so easy process it is telling hearing and chanting that's all it's telling Bhaktivinoda Thakur so easy process so in this month that is what is been told here so on the Gopastami day one time it happened that the devotional service is like that so purifying so Radharani made a beautiful garland so then she decided she is not going see that the great humility of a devotee Radharani always shows by example always all the great devotees shows by example he said I can't present I am not a great devotee and he said Vrindadevi you are great you are so dear to the Lord you go and present it then Vrindadevi said no I am not great so then he thought the most dear to the Lord is Subal Saka so let me give it to him he can present he is a Priya Narma Saka there are four categories so of friends Sakyaras so we are talking about Madhuramayi Leela, the most intimate, ecstatic pastimes of Krishna of this Kartik month. In that, Dasiras, Sakyaras, Vatsalras, Madhura. This Madhuras has all four rasas. All rasas, everything included already in Madhura. When Subal took the garland, and where is Krishna? Lord Krishna, Syam Sundar, Vrajendra Nandan Krishna, not Dwarka Krishna, not Madhura Krishna. We are not talking about that Krishna. We are talking about Vrajendra Nandan Krishna, Syam Sundar Krishna. He is the butter thief. Okay, he is not stealing anywhere. Not in Dwarka, not in Madhura. You can't find that. This is happening only in Golokanda. Okay, so then the Lord Krishna is waiting at where Radhakund. He's sitting there thinking about when will I is completely in great separation from Radharani. That was is in that is the position is in. Then Subal goes because he is Priya Saka, so Priya Saka, Priya Uttama Saka and Priya Narma Saka. That means he knows exactly what is going on in the heart of Krishna. His desires, he's just simply signaling everything he will know. That is Priya Narma. Subal is one of them. Priya Narma Saka. Very close, confidential. So on Gopastami, that is because Subal Vesh. Tomorrow, if you come to temple, you will see. Radharani is wearing Subal Vesh. So then Subal went and gave the garland to Lord Krishna, who was receiving Radha Kund. And he said, so I want to meet Krishna, I want to meet Srimati Radharani. Great separation. Otherwise, I will do. No, how, this is afternoon time. How you can meet? There is no impossible. There is no possibility. Jatila, Kutila, mother-in-law is there. You are not going to. It's not possible. I can do it. Said no. Okay, then I will drown myself, Yamuna. So I can't live. They said, no, don't do that. So I'm here. Let me see what I can do. Then Subal thought, so he's expert. The devotee, that's what Prabhupada is writing. Tesham satadayuktanam bhajatam priti porokam dadami buddhi yogantam. Immediately Krishna will give intelligence. So immediately he got the idea, brilliant idea. He said, let me do this. So he went searching for calves. My calf is lost. He went to Radharani's house. Jatila Kutila afternoon she ate nicely lunch and then she's relaxing sitting at the exactly in front of the door. And then when he has to go up inside to tell Radharani that Krishna is waiting, but there is no way to tell. She's waiting outside, so blocking. Then he told, hey, why are you here? So, what are you doing here? Get away from here. So that's what Jetla said to Subal. No, wait. I'm searching everywhere I search. Last I came here to your house because I think my cap may be here. So let me search. Okay. You find it and then get out soon from here. So Jetla said, okay. Then he entered into the house and then he spoke to Srimati Radharani and told what's happening with Krishna. What is it? So the intentional separation from him from her. Then, so how do I get out? Then she also expressed, how will you get out? This is afternoon time. There is no way we can get out, and my mother-in-law is there. Then Subal said, okay, don't worry. What you do? You take my form, take my dress, all turban, everything. And then he took the Radharani's dress. And so when you get out as Subal, you go as Subal Saka. But what did I said? I am searching for a cab. So you take a cab, put on your chest, as though like you are actually found the cap, and you are going as Subal, going out. You found the cap and going. So that is the way. Then exactly Srimad Radharani, that's what she did. So that's why you will see tomorrow when you go to in front of darshan of the Lord, in front of the altar, you will see that Srimad Radharani is exactly like a cohort boy, a Subal, and you can see the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. So, this is the that is what Subal Vesh. Then that's how exactly Radharani did, and Subal was inside. Then Radharani came out and finally went. Jetla didn't had, yeah, I found my calf. Then she said, okay, get out from here soon. Then he went, she went, and then met Krishna. Then at the same time, in the afternoon time, whenever you see Surya, see everything is so brilliant in this pastime. Sun God, when you see sun every day, tomorrow onwards, you remember you pay your obeisances, respect at least, Surya Narayan. And immediately you also think you pray to Surya Bhagavan that, please let me attain Krishna Prem. Let me have develop attachment to Krishna because that is the pastime in Vraj. All these Vrajvasis go at the afternoon time at the Surya Kund, the Kund lake, and pray to Surya Bhagavan to attain not anything material. Krishna Prem. Krishna, attachment to Krishna. That's what they are. So Jetla is asking, oh, Radharani, you're not going? Everybody is going. You're supposed to go Surikand. You're supposed to offer puja. Yeah, I'm going. Who is that? Subal is there. Subal sounded like Radharani and then said, yeah, I'm going. Then, because the other way, how will he get out? Because when Jetla finds out that Subal is the one who is inside and Radharani went out already, then it's going to be a great problem. So then that's what happened. So Subal told, yeah, I'm going. Then for some or the other, he came out. And then he also met Krishna finally. And then it was Krishna met Radharani. And then his friend is also out. See the pastime, brilliant pastime of this Gopastami. This is one of the pastime there. So Krishna is taking the cows from calves. He is taking the cows. He has more responsibility, higher responsibility has received. That means we also take responsibility to serve the devotees of the Lord. So, cowherd boys and cows, Lord is serving, cowherd boys are serving Krishna. They're all serving each other with great intimacy and love and affection. So, this pastime is telling that Yamaraj is afraid of Krishna and his devotees of the holy name. Those who are chanting the holy name, he told, no one should catch anybody who's chanting the holy name. Don't go near them. So almost in Prema Vivarta, Jagadananda Pandit is writing so much, almost pages and pages about the glories of the holy name, unlimited glories. There it is clearly talking about all his sins, the millions of sins, prarabdha, aprarabdha, everything will be nullified simply. But one has to have a faith, Shraddha. This is the first thing I told. One has to have faith. What Acharya tells you have to take, accept it. Not that you are in one sampradaya and then you want to follow some other. That you should not do. You take good instruction, no problem, but you be fixed on the sampradaya acharya. Whatever is going to tell, accept it in the heart and follow it. Try to follow it. If you have weakness, that will overcome it. But if you don't accept it first, then it's a problem. That means you have no faith. Then Krishna cannot help. The holy name will not reveal. Holy name, it doesn't work. It won't purify your heart because you don't have faith. Holy name, so what it will do? So no, I have to earn money. I have to do everything. So holy name, what it will do? Nothing. So, nothing it will have. Nothing it will do. Actually, it is talked about the glories of the holy name. Year from year, Vivarta, they are clearly told all your sinful activities, all your diseases. It is quoting verses after verses. Every category is mentioning what is the glory of the holy name. In great detail. Who is asking? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, conversation between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Jagadananda Pandit. This description is there. So that's why one has to have faith. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur is writing here. Aspiring for prema means you need to have faith, Shraddha, surrender. This is what Anukulyasya Sankalpa Pratikulyasya Vivarjanam. Sankalpa means one has to accept what is favorable to Krishna. What will allow me to wake up in the morning? What will allow me to hear Bhagavad Katha? What is it? Allow me to go to temple and take darshan of the Lord? What doesn't allow? So anukulasam pratikulasam vivarjanam. Let me stop those things which is not taking me away from Krishna. So all is minimize, reduce. This is what this should be our conduct. This should be our practice every day. Then one can actually bind Krishna in the heart. That's what he's telling. Sri Radhika Hridaya Hridayasya Choram so Syamala Kanti Choram. He's telling. So verse after 8 verses in Saurashtakam, glorifying the greatest thief. Please, I have captured you in my heart. You can't get away from my heart. I have bound you with my love and affection. So that's what we need. Every day we sincerely offer whatever we have with the heart, with love and affection. That's all we need. Just like mother with the child, how much love and affection she does it. Same way we have to do. That is what Damodar Manth is teaching, that Yashoda Mai is able to bind Krishna with love and affection, with great faith, great intimacy. Same thing in following the footsteps of Damodar, Yashoda Damodar. We should also develop that intimacy and attachment to Krishna by serving every day, trying to serve the Lord and his devotees, especially his great devotees, Acharya Parampara, Sri Prabhupada, or preeminent Siksha Guru or Sampradaya Acharya now, and the Parampara. So, all the essence of the Parampara is giving. So, Rupa Goswami's instructions essence, because he has understood Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instructions. And then further down, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this is called Bhaktivinoda Thakur Dhara, line of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, is seventh Goswami, because he has understood, he has drawn the conclusions, and then Prabhupada is taking the essence of Bhaktivinoda Thakur's instruction, is giving us easy, simple process. We just need to follow whatever Prabhupada is giving the process. Simply what he is writing in the purports, we should read every day and take it up and try to practice it every day, and then we can perfect the life and go back home, back to Godhead. So with Krishna Prema. So thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Gandhara Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Prabhupada ki jai. Let us chant Hare Krishna Maha 3 times. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Prabhupada ki jai, Harinam Sankirtan ki jai. On behalf of Srila Prabhupada, I bless you all with Krishna and Madhurastu. May you all be filled with Krishna Prema and go back home, back to Godhead in this life. Please take chanting and be happy. Chant the holy name every day. Thank you. Hare Krishna.